Good morning, guys. What's up? What's going on? Welcome to this video review. Early Monday morning. Did you guys already have your breakfast? Did you already go out for a jog? Are you thinking about the pizza you ate last night? Either way, I'm here this morning because I really want to talk to you about losing weight, actually. I want to talk to you about healthy weight loss. So, guys, just sit back and relax. This video will not take much of your time, but you are going to finish watching this video and you're just going to be astonished and you're going to want to really give this supplement a shot because this is a supplement that will totally help you lose lots and lots of weight. All right, now I'm here today because I want to talk to you about the Fast Lean Pro. There is so much you have to know about this supplement. It is the legit supplement to really help you lose a lot of weight, but of course, I'm just like you. Before I purchase something, I want to know everything about it. So that's why I'm here, because I want to give you all the infos about the Fast Lean Pro before you purchase it, before you begin using it. So just make sure you're sitting right there and watching this video until the last minute. I will be leaving the Fast Lean Pro's official website in the description box below this video because the manufacturer decided that they would only sell it over there just to keep everything much more original, much more safe and secure, so you don't have to waste your time as well searching the internet looking for that link. Okay, so it's right here below this video. As I was saying, something really cool about Fast Lean Pro is that this is a supplement that it's unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. It's actually the only formula that contains 11 powerful natural ingredients that work in perfect synergy to trick your brain into thinking you are fasting and maintain a healthy weight no matter what you do, what you eat, so you can eat whatever you want to eat still. Basically, guys, fasting is, it's something very cool how it works, actually. Fasting is the most efficient weight loss method. Unfortunately, though, not many people can go without food for 5, 8, 12, or even 24 hours at a time. Basically, when you do not eat for hours, a switch activated telling your body to burn any fat reserves and destroy old cells that are not functioning properly. So this triggers a regeneration process that not only supports weight loss, but also renews every single cell in your body, making you look years younger. So that's how some people lose weight, by fasting. Basically, when you can stop eating and your body will use up all the fat stores in your body. So going back to the Fast Lean Pro, it can actually help your body trick itself that it's doing that when clearly it's not. So Fast Lean Pro can be added into liquid such as water because it is tasteless, but when actually lab tests, they show that autophagy is accelerated when you add this to your tea or your coffee. This is because green tea, black tea, and coffee all contain phytochemicals that turbocharge the way your cells renew and use energy inside your body. So these compounds are able to speed up the process of autophagy and cell renewal. So the Fast Lean Pro is so easy to take, as you can see, and this is a supplement that is 100% green, all right? It's organic, meaning it has absolutely no GMOs, no stimulants, no toxins. It is safe for any men or any women at any age to use it. It's suitable for everyone. It contains absolutely no side effect, guys. Fast Lean Pro actually contains a lot of great ingredients that won't just help your body to lose weight. It will help your body to get a perfect immune system that nowadays it is very important to have. It's going to give your body all of this energy, all of this disposition, and willpower, and also vitality. So it's like a full package. It will help you with your digestive system as well, guys. So once you do purchase the Fast Lean Pro, you can start using it right away. Just remember, it is a treatment. Use it every single day, all right? And if you need a refund, you're actually backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee. You can just request your money back on the official website. But guys, think about it. In just a few months, you're going to be totally slim. You're going to be healthy. You're going to have a really lean belly. So give the Fast Lean Pro a shot that I can guarantee you're not going to regret it, all right? Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you folks next time. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Larissa and today I came here to talk about Fast Lean Pro before you actually buy this product. So if you're really curious and interested in buying Fast Lean Pro, stay with me, pay close attention. I'm gonna share only the main points, being very brief with this video, and I'm gonna share how is the treatment, what are the ingredients, few tips and alerts and much more, okay? So let's start with the most important thing, where you're gonna find Fastlink Pro to purchase. Guys, today this product is only sold in the official website. So to help you out, I'm leaving the link here under the description of my video, and you just need to click and you go directly to the official website. Guys, this alert may seem silly, but it's really important. There are many other marketplaces out there trying to sell Fastlink Pro without authorization of the producer. So the only official website that it's authorized to sell is the one I left down below. What can happen if you purchase from another place? You won't have the return policy. You may get this product and it doesn't change anything. You spent your money and you're gonna be frustrated. You may not even get this product in your home, or it may harm your body, which is even worse. So just be careful. And more than that, in the official website, you can see all the details, promos, and discounts. And if you're looking for a faster and easier way to lose weight, the Japanese scientists discovered a fasting switch that will help you promote weight loss. So guys, according to many studies, fasting, intermittent fasting, it's one of the most efficient methods of losing weight. But not everybody can stay like 5, 8, 12, or even 24 hours without eating. And guys, why this method works? Because when you do not eat for many hours, there is a switch that tells your body to burn the fat reserves and also to destroy old cells that are not functioning properly. And this triggers a regeneration process that not only will help with your weight loss goals, but also will renew every single cell, and you're gonna even look younger. And let me tell you now, the most important thing is how Fastlink Pro works. So Fastlink Pro is something that we've never seen before. It's a combination of 11 natural ingredients that will help you to trick your brain to believe that you are fasting when you actually are not. This way, you'll be able to maintain your weight even when you're eating. And as I said, this product, it's 100% natural, guys. It has no side effects, no harm to your body. You can try without any concerns. And this product has been tested and approved by FDA facility. This is why, again, you don't need to worry. And has no stimulants, no habit forming, 100% natural, made only of plants. Guys, as I always do, I like to share some of the ingredients that you're gonna find in Fastlink Pro. Keep in mind to check it out, the official website, for all the ingredients and all the benefits you can get. But let's share some of them to be really brief with this video, as I mentioned before. So you're gonna find vitamin B12 that will support skin renewal and also will help with calorie burning. And also you're gonna find the sucre that helps speed up calorie burning and also liver support. Guys, the treatment is pretty easy. You just need to dissolve Fastlink Pro into any liquid. But lab testing shows that autophagy, sorry, it accelerates when you mix Fastlink Pro with coffee or tea. So if you like, and if you have this option, you can do with this to make it the process even better. But keep in mind that you can dissolve in any liquid and it's gonna work as well, okay? And let's understand why the tea and the coffee will help better. Because tea and coffee has phytochemicals that turbocharge the way your cells renew and spend energy inside your body. And those compounds will be able to speed up the autophagy process and cells renewal. And you won't believe that Fastlink Pro has 180 days money back guarantee. I was telling you before, if you buy through the official website, you have this guarantee. If you try, if you don't like it, if you don't see results, or any other reason, no questions are asked and you can have your money back. 180 days, it's plenty of time for you to see how this nutrients are gonna work in your body, and you have this privilege to return in any case. But don't worry, you're gonna love it, the results. So let me tell you, in order to see results, you gotta do your treatment correct. So do not skip a day, okay? This is very important because I see a lot of people complaining they don't see results when they are not doing their part. If you decided to make a change in your life, a positive change, keep it up. Do the treatment correct and do not skip a day for better and faster results. Also, don't forget that you are unique. This is super important because each body and each organism reacts in a different way. So don't ever expect that whatever works for, I don't know, your friend, your mother, is gonna work in the same way for you. So respect your body, respect your routines, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna get your goals, okay? So guys, that's it for today. I really hope I helped with this video. I really hope that Fastlane Pro can help improve your life in many ways. And if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave down below and I'll be more than happy to help you. And before I leave, check it out the official website because I just saw they have like really nice promos, complimentary books that will help you with this process. So good luck, okay? Bye.